Engineering is kind of the gateway to everything. It's the think part of the whole design process. Nothing just shows up. It has to be designed, it has to be created, it has to be made. And this class, it can involve every facet of that. Mechanical design has levels 1 and level 2. Level 1, we learn manual drawing, we learn AutoCAD and start in Inventor. AutoCAD's a 2D drawing platform. Inventor is full 3D modeling. At level 2, we do get into more architecture and things of that nature. We are looking at how things work, why they do what they do, lots of blueprint reading, creating of blueprints, measuring, and hopefully building some products.
I think planning is very important. You have to make sure all your measurements are right. You have to make sure everything gets into place, everything makes sense together. There's so many different ways to build things and just be creative with it. There's really no limit to what you're doing.
Students out of my program can go in many directions. They can go 2-year technical school, 4 years of engineering. They could go straight to a plant with this background and have some blueprint reading, maintenance.
I'm an engineering tech at RBC Bearings. I do a lot of tooling designs for different grinders and hardness machines, things like that. I do a lot of quality work to help out with production. I've been at RBC Bearings for 3 years. My first year I worked in quality while I was going to college, and then after I graduated I got picked up by the engineering department. Mechanical design class helped a lot with the drawings and how you need to place things. So you need a front view, your left view, your top view. Had it not been for those classes, I probably would have went into it blind, and learning that stuff here really helped me now because I know where stuff needs to go on my print, how it needs to be laid out and formatted. I really like what I do. I hope to progress in engineering and kind of climb the ladder like you would do in any manufacturing plant.
The first step's the idea, whether it is by the individual creating the drawing or maybe it's someone else's idea and they need the drafter to create the drawing, but it all starts with an idea. It's just neat to see what's in your mind come to life, from paper to standing in the world and use how it's meant to be used.
In the engineering trade and in the mechanical world, a lot of times you're making new things, in a way inventing them. What you are doing is something new that hasn't really been done before.
I'm very grateful why I got into this class. I like that we do blueprints in here, which gets me a lot into the architecture world, which is what I want to go into. I think it's a really interesting class, and I really like the teacher and the environment here. I think I wouldn't have this much fun in any other class.
I'm very thankful I got to start here. If it wasn't for DCIT, I'd have went into college completely lost. I might not have known some of the things that I know now when I'm at work. I would still be in a much deeper learning process than what I'm at now.
The biggest thing I want students to have when they leave me is critical thinking and troubleshooting, curiosity. Why do things work? How do things work? How can I make them better? That's really the backstop for everything we have here.